Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to talk more about how to use the function with the return statement. So in the last video, I think you have already watched it and we did a program in this way so that we know how to use a function and by using of the parameter. Okay, so we can pass a parameter to a function and do some calculation and get a value, right? But right now I would like to do some change, so what we call a return statement. Let's see from the slide first. So in this slide we are talking about after the completion of a function, uh, can we get back the value of y back to the main program? Hey, Mr. Chu, what are you talking about? Get back the value of a function to the main program. What's going on? So let me show you why I am saying that. Okay, so right now you can see I'm doing a program to call this value, but I'm going to comment these two statements so that there will be nothing happen. Okay, and this part is what we call comments. Okay, so for all statement with the comments, that means this statement is only a statement and it is not a program right now. Okay, so there is just some text here. All right, so there these two lines will not be run as a program. Okay, so right now you can see nothing, but what happened if I would like to do something like that? Document dot write. I think you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, document dot write. Okay, that means I would like to get this value and then using document dot write, and I expect the value will be showing up right here. Let's try. Okay, yeah, very clear. What happened? Undefined. Undefined means there is no any value from this function. All right. What happened here? It is because the result of square x, which is stored in y, but um, I think there is a concept you have to know first. Okay, this is what we call scope. Scope. Okay, so that means y, the value stored in y, can only be used, can only be read, can only be manipulated within this area. Okay, but unfortunately this statement is outside of this scope. Okay, so we cannot get the value of y because y is just inside this function, can only be used inside a function. What if we want to get this value, we want to get this y into the main program, I mean the bigger scope right here. So we need to add one thing, which is return y. So by using this statement, we are telling that the program, after this program is run, after this function is run, and finally the value stored in y will be going to back to the square x, and then we'll be going back to where it called the function, so which is here. So that means the y will be transferred back to the original place. I mean the original place where to call the function. Okay, which is here. So that we will have the value of y finally in this part. All right. So right now let's try. So we can get the value of 16 and it is correct right now. Okay. So I hope it is easy to understand to use return y. But if there are some of you not really understand this statement, I'm going to rewrite it in a simple way so that you understand. So let's say we are not, I'm not going to do this in this way. I would like to make it simple so that you understand, like answer. All right, let's create a variable called answer. And then I would like to get the answer by calling this function. and the parameter is 4. So right now I should have the function stored in the answer. Okay. And then I would like to get the answer into the screen so that I run the program. Yes, 16. Let's try if we change the value to 5. Okay, now 25. Correct? Very simple. So we can delete these 2 lines. Right? Very simple examples for you to understand what's going on about function with using the parameter as well as a return statement. All right, so try to modify the program, change the value, observe what's happened next. All right, let me know if you have any question. I hope this video is useful for you. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.